Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, white color. Kids night coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids night F. F for fish, F for fan. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids night H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids night J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. And use red color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use red color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids night O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids night R. R for rose, R for rice. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use green color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids again use green color and draw W. W for wallet, W for watch. Kids night X. X for X-ray, X for telephone. And use white color. Kids again use white color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids night Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids night numbers and first draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use blue color. O. N. E. 1. 2. T. W. 2. Kids night 3. And again use blue color. T. H. R. W. 3. 4. F. O. U. R. 4. 5. F. IV. 5. It's night 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. SIX6. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7. SEVEN 7. 8. EIGHT 8. Kids again use yellow color and draw 9. NINE 9. Kids again use yellow color and last letter 10. TEN 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.